Hello everyone. The main objective of the book is to help people identify the reason for the problem and to provide details about a treatment that strikes at the root of the problem. It is going to show you the safest, natural and effective way. The only way is to do so naturally. Because the program uses all natural techniques, the results are permanent. It's been scientifically proven to provide results. The product is a safe, effective and natural program that uses special techniques. The author is highly recognized for being an expert. He has helped thousands of men achieve their dreams of being well endowed below the belt and has put all of his expertise into this e-book. He even reveals his trademark technique. He is responsible for putting together a blueprint e-book PDF tailored at helping men deal with one of the most self-conscious subjects in the natural way and practically improve their sexuality as a man. His solutions are permanent and based on natural methods. The whole guide is filled with important tips. Unfortunately, I can't tell you exactly what the method is or what the supplements are because it's protected by copyright. But I can tell you about the research I did to find out more about the theory behind it. This is a guide that systematically shows you and teaches you proven techniques and methods. In addition to the techniques and tips provided, the program also comes with several bonuses that teach you secret tips and tactics to do in between the sheets. Essentially, there is scientific evidence that the supplements can encourage the biological processes at play in the system. Plus, the information is put together perfectly for an informative, yet entertaining learning experience. The entire program, including the bonuses, can be accessed online as soon as you make the purchase. So, you don't have to worry about. You can save it right onto your computer or simply bookmark the website for optimal discretion. The core program consists of a combination of natural system with detailed step-by-step instructions for doing them safely and effectively. The instructions easy to follow and the techniques safe to do. Now for the good stuff. To make the program easy to follow, it's broken down into separate phases that then come together at the end. To help you understand the system a bit more, the program finishes with the steps needed to put all of the information you just learned into action. You're never left wondering what to do, how to put the methods together, or why. Everything is clearly broken down and described for you. All of these bonuses are also accessed online, so you don't have to worry about anyone discovering your reading material. Better yet, they're packed with unique tips and tricks you can implement in the bedroom. So, not only will you satisfy the lady, but your new moves will definitely improve things even further. This program does not encourage anyone to take any type of dangerous medication or surgery. Everything suggested in this e-book is completely natural and can be used by anyone who wants to see positive results without experiencing any side effects or risking their lives. The solutions offered in his guide are natural and proven as effective. There are no exaggerated guarantees. There are no miracle solutions. It is also a known fact that results will vary as experiences are also different. The supplements are well known as a sexual enhancer, with good results, legal and easily available though. The program does everything that is expected from it, and it comes as no surprise because it truly works. The techniques and methods used in this program are all biological and natural, therefore there are no side effects. It is well accepted within the market, and the volume sales are going up steadily. There are no refunds claimed so far, therefore it is only right to assume that clients are pleased with the product. Conclusion: this program is highly recommended due to its simplicity in keeping everything all natural and boasting permanent results. This is value for money, any man should own it. Lifetime customer support for verified buyers. As a professional that has been in the field for a number of years and also as a consultant, the author knows and understands that such issues such as this one are to be treated with a positive mindset, not forgetting the long-term mindset. The best thing about the program is that as soon as you buy the guide, then you will automatically qualify, enrolled and joined in the customer support program. As a member of this program, you will be eligible for customer support, not just for the program, but for any issues you may need help on. This is ideal for people who are looking for a permanent cure and are willing to make certain changes to their existing lifestyle in order for the treatment to work effectively. You are also entitled to a 60-day money-back guarantee which you can use if you decide the program isn't for you. However, you can never go wrong with having an abundance of tips and information to improving you and your partner's pleasure. So, keep this in mind. Other than that, if you're ready to take full advantage of the safe and effective methods, it's time to start. So, I hope it was helpful to you. Click the link below to visit the official guide.